Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to set up Twitch donations. Let's go to Google and search for Streamlabs. Log in. Here, select Twitch and enter your details. After logging in, choose the free plan and click Close. There, here we have the tipping options. Link your account, even PayPal if you want. Once linked, head back to Streamlabs. You'll see your PayPal account is now connected. Click Next. Here you can customize your donation page. Click the link, paste it, and set up your donation. That's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.